Everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So for all the people who have been asking me for such a long time to share something on the lines of a fairness cream, something which will help to better the complexion, which will help to even the tone of the skin. So today I'm going to be making an avocado cream. This is trending these days, and it's very effective because we are going to be using avocado in the form of the powder, which is filled with antioxidants to give you a very nice glowing skin. We are going to be using a blend of active ingredients in this as well. I'm going to be adding some alpha arbutin, kojic acid, and a blend of other active ingredients which will together help to fasten the process of giving you a better complexion. Now the basic formulation will be shared in the description box. For these advanced ones, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number for workshop details. So we'll quickly begin with the making. Here I have my water phase and my oil phase weighed out. In my water phase, I have taken my water, glycerin, and I have taken my alpha arbutin, have added a blend of other actives as well. And here I have my oil phase, in which I have taken my emulsifiers, my thickeners, a little bit of beeswax to give a very good texture to the cream, and I have added kojic acid in this, good nourishing oils. I have used avocado oil so that it betters the effect of avocado in this avocado cream. So we'll quickly go ahead and heat both these phases and make the cream. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated both the phases, my oil phase and my water phase, and now we'll go ahead and we'll combine them together. I'll give this a quick blend here. Okay, so I have gone ahead and blended both these phases together, and now when the solution is hot itself, I will go ahead and add my avocado powder to this, and we'll again give it a blend. So now the avocado powder looks well blended in the solution. So the best way to blend all the powdered ingredients evenly is to add it in the solution when the solution is hot, so that it evenly gets dispersed in the solution. Now we'll just wait for this to cool down completely, and then I will show you how the texture thickens. Okay, so we've left this to cool for a while, and you all can see how beautiful the texture is of this avocado cream, and it has a lovely natural green color to it. But if you want to darken the color and make it a little more towards the green side, you can go ahead and add some color. So we'll do that. Before that, I'll go ahead and add my fragrance here. I've taken very little fragrance, rose fragrance, and we'll add our preservative. We'll just give this a mix, and I will add my color to this. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add some green color to this. This is optional. If you do not want to add any color, you can leave it. This is very light green, so after adding quite a lot of amount, this will change a little bit of color here. Now since we've already added avocado powder, it's not going to become very dark, but yes, definitely it will become a little darker than what was the original color. Okay, so I've gone ahead and mixed this well, and here we have a lovely avocado cream ready. I'll show you all how lightweight it feels on the skin. Okay, so I'll just apply a little bit of this and show you all how lightweight this is. And it gives a very nice skin effect. It gets absorbed very quick on the skin, and this is a very good fairness cream. So I'm going to be sharing the basic formulation. You all can give this a try, especially for beginners, and anyone who would like to learn this can contact me on the WhatsApp number. If you like what I share with you all, if you all want me to share more such exciting videos, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, everyone.